How to fix we don't recognize your device problem on Facebook. If you're dealing with this issue, first and foremost check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, scroll down the shortcut icons, then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your airplane mode and try to log in to your Facebook application. If you still cannot log in to your Facebook, again drop down the notification center, enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, turn it back off and switch it to your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, then try to launch your Facebook application once again. This should solve your problem. If this does not work, go ahead and exit from your Facebook application. Press and hold your Facebook app and go to App Info, then force stop your app. Head to Storage and Cache to clear the cache built up on your Facebook app. After this, open any of the VPN that is present in your device and make sure that you are not connected to your VPN. Once you have ensured of it, open a browser or your Google. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Facebook Help Center. Then right here, tap on the first suggestion shown, that is Help Center-Facebook. So in here, you can find some of the articles that can help with your problem if this steps does not help. You have to tap on the option of login and password because you are facing trouble logging in. In here, you will find a lot of articles that can help with your problem. So you can just go ahead and check those articles out and do as instructed in the article itself. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.